Thank you very much. My name remains Ishaku Nathaniel Balogun. I'm the convener of the Coalition of Civil Society Organizations. You could recall some few days ago, we were here to stave our hard-fought democracy, a democracy where some people died to sustain this democracy. We are here on the matter of the CJN being partisan. An umpire, as a judiciary, should not be devoid of biasment. You could recall a few days ago, the Chief Justice of the Federation was in Port Harcourt, and where he went and was giving inciting statements that can dampen the electionary process come 2023. We as civil society organization, we have filtered the conversation and we discovered that it's diminishing and we have lost trust in the CGN. We believe he is not worthy to be in the office. As the CGN of the Federation, he needs to be devoid of partiality. And as a judicial umpire, he needs to be straightforward. And we also want to complain about what happened to us the last time that we were here. The police dispersed us with tear gas. We as civil society organization, we are not going to stop fighting, conscientizing the Nigerians peacefully to make sure we keep our hard-earned democracy intact. The CDN must go. The CDN should, as a matter of urgency, leave the office. We want the CGN to resign willingly. We are here to tell the Senate President to help us look into this matter. The CGN must go. We are tired of his being partisan. I wouldn't want to call it a political party, but we feel it's leaning towards a political party. There are 18 political parties in this election. The CGN is already taking part. It's already tilting towards one side, and we are not comfortable with that. We will use every legal means. We will use every legal means by the law to conscientize the country and make sure he leaves the office. Because being a CGN of the country, he needs to be neutral. He is not neutral, he is not fair, he's a biased CGN.